Every single one in the control group died. Their immune systems were completely destroyed. There was a 100% death rate. And yet, do you know what happened to the subjects who received components of this bioregulator? Every single one lived. There was a 100% survival rate. It was the same infection, the same trauma, and yet one main difference. That difference is what this video is about.
Today we're covering Bonomarlot, a bioaugmentor, and if this is the first time that you're hearing about this, then please see the intro to this playlist. It's one of Khavinson's hidden bioregulators, and it does something that no mainstream supplement, no immune booster, and no vitamin stack has ever come close to doing. It makes your biology function as if you had a much stronger bone marrow. Here's why that matters. Right now, inside your bones, there's a factory, and that factory makes every red blood cell in your body. It makes every white blood cell and every platelet. When you were born, that factory was running at 100% capacity, but by the time you hit age 30, it's at 50%, and by 70, it's at 30%. The rest has quietly turned to fat, yellow, less active, essentially dead fat. And your body, your immune system, your energy, your ability to heal from anything is paying the price every single day. This is not a theory. This is basic human anatomy that most doctors never tell you about. And Bonomarlot was specifically designed by one of the most decorated scientists in history to reverse these effects. Before we go any further, this video is part of the first full playlist ever made about 44 of Khavinson's hidden bioregulators. I've read thousands of scientific papers and over 50 years worth of research, most of it buried in obscure Russian journals the Western world never translated. Even billionaire-funded longevity labs are only just now finding out the breakthroughs that Khavinson proved decades ago. At the Peptide Science Institute, we're bringing Khavinson's research to the West and showing the world the incredible transformations bioregulators, bioaugmentors, and our precision cell method can create. If you know anyone who would be interested in the power of these hidden bioregulators, share this playlist with them. Spread the magic, move the world. And as a thank you, we'll send you the magic of Khavinson's hidden bioregulators for free. Link in the description. Now, let's expand on what Bonomarlot does and why the study I just described in the intro, 100% mortality versus 100% survival, is only the start of what this compound is capable of. Components of Bonomarlot are able to greatly enhance the immune system in humans, and they show a decrease in infections following surgery. Additionally, in patients undergoing chemotherapy, it was shown that their immune system was suppressed, and their ability to tolerate the chemotherapy was reduced, resulting in some of the patients quitting treatment. However, the group that was given Bonomarlot showed less regression of their immune system and a 100% compliance rate to chemotherapy treatment. But Bonomarlot may also be able to help your body reoxygenate tissues, and it does this in cases of anemia in humans. So, people who are anemic, meaning a reduction in red blood cells and hemoglobin, when given the bioregulator Bonomarlot, are able to improve their red blood cell production and their hemoglobin, which is the component of red blood cells that carries oxygen all throughout the body. And this is where you need to understand something important though, because this is where most people get something wrong. Anemia is not a single problem. Immune suppression is not a single problem. They're outcomes, effects. They can be caused by nutrient deficiencies, chronic inflammation, infections, mitochondrial dysfunction, hormonal issues, even kidney issues, and yes, bone marrow suppression itself. And this is exactly where the precision cell method comes in, because instead of pretending that one compound fixes everything, you start thinking in layers. Bonomarlot is targeting one very specific layer, the bone marrow, the actual tissue responsible for producing your red blood cells, your immune cells, and your regenerative capacity. But if the rest of the system is broken, if nutrients aren't there, if inflammation is high, if the signaling environment is off, then even a perfectly functioning bone marrow won't give you optimal results. So what Bonomarlot is doing is restoring capacity at the source, but the outcome you get from that depends on how the rest of your biology is set up. And that's the difference between just taking something and actually understanding how to use it within a system that produces real results. Now, in human studies, Bonomarlot was dosed at 2 capsules 1 or 2 times per day. And I also want to make it clear that I'm only providing scientifically accurate dosages here and not made-up dosing that you may hear others make. Now, despite what the labels claim, I also recommend that you take bioregulators without food if your stomach can tolerate them, because absorption and uptake is enhanced through LAT and PEP1 transporters when they are not also competing with amino acids for uptake from food. And there's also a superior version of Bonomarlot available, which you should be aware of, called Bonocore, which we scientifically classify as a version 2 bioregulator after mass spectrometry analysis in our lab comparing the two. We found that Bonocore is able to work not only much better anecdotally, but in its analysis contained many more unique peptides, including some of the myelopeptides which have been individually studied in the literature, which Bonomarlot, for some reason, did not contain all of. And Bonocore is produced exclusively from VitaStream. And if you'd like to learn a lot more about Bonomarlot, you can get our book, Peptide Salvation. The link is in the description below. And this has been Brendan Henry, one of the founders at the Peptide Science Institute. Thank you so much for watching.